The law of Demeter is an object-oriented design principle that says you should never call methods on objects you receive from other calls. Or, put another way, only talk to your friends. We'll modify our flight class to accept an aircraft object when it's constructed. And we'll follow the law of Demeter by adding a method to report the aircraft model. This method will delegate to aircraft on behalf of the client rather than allowing the client to reach through the flight and interrogate the aircraft object directly. We also add a docstring to the class. These work just like function and module docstrings. We can now construct a flight with a specific aircraft. Notice that we construct the aircraft object and directly pass it to the flight constructor without needing an intermediate named reference for it.